Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to deposit on Charles Schwab, making it easy to add money to your investment account. We'll cover several straightforward methods, ensuring you can choose the one that best fits your needs. We'll also touch on typical processing times and any important details for each option. Our goal is to help you confidently manage your funds with Charles Schwab, providing a clear and simple guide to getting started. One of the most popular and easiest ways to deposit funds is through an electronic funds transfer, or EFT. You can securely link your external bank account to your Charles Schwab account, allowing for quick and convenient transfers. Whether you need to make a one-time deposit or set up recurring contributions, EFT is a great choice. Generally, your funds will be available for trading within 1 to 3 business days after the transfer is initiated. For depositing checks, Charles Schwab offers 2 convenient methods. You can use the mobile check deposit feature through the Charles Schwab mobile app on your smartphone. Simply endorse your check, then take clear photos of both the front and back. It's a fast and secure way to add funds. If you prefer, you can also mail your checks directly to Charles Schwab for processing. Be sure to include your account number on the check. For quicker or larger deposits, wire transfers are an excellent option, typically processing within 1 business day. You can also set up direct deposit for recurring income, such as your paycheck or government benefits, ensuring your money goes straight into your Schwab account. To facilitate these, you'll need specific routing and account numbers, which are readily available within your Charles Schwab account details. These methods offer flexibility for various financial needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.